Alberta Health Services. Healthy Albertans, healthy communities, together.
The Adult Day program opened up in September of 2017. We offer respite for caregivers, and it's also a great place for the seniors to come. The charity lunch was an idea that we had based on the premise that a lot of times people lose their sense of purpose as they age. We really felt that our group needed to be doing something that provided them with a sense of purpose. So we pick the charity every month and see what their needs are, and then we work to meet them. Grocery stores are more than happy to get on board. You really have to just ask. Today we're doing 75 lunches. We have done 150 before. It is a need in our community. There's just no way around it. We have no shortage of people that we can continue to deliver these lunches to. Today we have Ray, who's doing some buttering for us, so he's the butter man today, and John, who's in charge of the eggs, so he will slop the eggs on there, and then we have Sid, who is in charge of closing the sandwiches and putting them in the bags.
What we feel is that as seniors we can be effective in our communities. It's, I think, important in that we are able to reach out to others and make ourselves useful in the community.
My way of thinking, I think they should, if the people are really hard up, yes, we should help them out.
Who's holding up the assembly line?
John is, he's breaking bags.
As you can see, it's a hot mess.
Someone will be in charge of doing the juice boxes and the apples, and then it'll get passed down for the sandwiches to go in, and then the cookies will go in, and someone will seal them up, and into the fridge they go for tomorrow.
We provide daytime shelter and respite and just support for people experiencing homelessness. When the coordinator from the Adult Day program contacted the center about bringing in lunches, I was really excited. We do rely on community groups for all the niceties. The vision that we have at the center is that everyone would have a life-changing encounter with love. We couldn't be more thankful for the efforts of everybody associated with the Adult Day program, and that they're really doing it under their own power too.
A lot of our clients don't work anymore. They might not be able to do the things they used to be able to do, but here you get a sense of purpose and you get a sense of pride.
We can be a blessing to those we serve.
I think that it is one of the best programs that I've ever seen.
Oh, we're crazy.
We're crazy about each other.
Yeah.
Together, we do amazing things every day.